All right, my friends, we're doing session 2 today in lesson 29. We're adding two-digit numbers to two-digit numbers. First one is 35 plus 27. I like to draw the base 10 before I break it out. So 35 is 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 27. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to make 10 because I'm pretty sure 5 plus 7 is more than 10. So we're going to start with the biggest number, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take these three, 7 plus 3 is 10, and wrap them in my invisibility cloak. Now they magically turn into a stick of 10. So now I'm going to count all of my 10s and all of my 1s, everything that's outside of this cloak, outside of these circles. And that's my answer. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 groups of 10 is 60. Then I'm going to count all of my 1s that are outside of it. 1, 2, 62. So there are 62 marbles in all. I can't remember if I read the problem to you or I just started it, but anyway, that's the answer, is 62. If I'm like, is this right? Let's find out. Yesterday we did the hundreds chart and we went down. So we could do 35 and then we could add in 2 10s. So 35 would be 45, 55. So 35 plus 20 is 55. Now I still have 7 to add in, right? So then I'm going to do 55 and I'm going to say plus 55 plus 7 is what I have left. So then I could do that on a number line. 8, 59, 60, 61, 62. So I'm starting at 55. I'm going to jump forward 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle where you land. Label your jumps. I took 7 jumps. I landed on 62. 2 different ways, and they both ended up right. Another way that I could do it, since we're diving into this week, is I could box my 10s and underline my 1s. So what were my numbers? 35 plus 27. 35 plus 27. Put a box around the 10s, underline the 1s. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is, it's really 50. 50 plus 12. So 50 plus 12, break that down, 10 and 2, pull out the 10, remember? 50 plus, so then it becomes 50 plus 10 plus 2. 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 2 is 62. You could look at this right away and know, oh, 50 plus 12 is 62, and you wouldn't have to do all of this. But in case you don't, there's this if you need it. The next feature talks about it. It says add the 10s and add the 1s, which is exactly what we did in a lot of different ways. So hopefully you can see with that model of the blue and the red, and they mix them together to find out the same thing we did, 62. Turn the page to page 669. And on page 669, it says, who is right? How do you know? So Boom says 25 plus 16 is 31. So the only way you're going to find out is you need to solve this and find out what the answer is. Is it 31? Is it not? Buzz says 25 plus 16 is 41. So let's solve it and see who's right. All right, so we're going to do 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to see if I can make 10. I have 6 here. It's more than 5. So I'm going to start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take 4 of these because 6 plus 4 equals 10. So now I had 1, 2, 3, but now I have 4 sticks of 10. And what's left over? 1 on the outside. So who's right? Buzz is right. Buzz. Buzz is correct. Why? Because Boom already had 3. Look, 2 plus 1 is 3. He forgot to add in and make 10. Boom forgot to make 10 with his ones. It's very important that you make 10. So you take all those and you add in another stick. So we had 1, 2, 3 to start. Add in that 4th and it's 41. Problem number 3, 35 plus 28. $35 plus 28. And it says, add the 10s and the 1s. So you end up with blank 10s and blank 1s. So then 50 plus blank equals blank. Okay, so we have 35 plus 28. So we're going to take 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to add them all up. We're going to say, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s, which gets me to 50, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 10s is the same as 50. Now I'm going to count all the ones. I have 8 here. So we're going to start with the biggest number, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. So I have 50 plus 13, which equals 63. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 63 is your answer. Now we're going to do the same thing for down below. Problem number 4, it says 24 plus 25. So I'm going to do 25 first because I've already written that. And then I'm going to change this to 24. Remember, the order doesn't matter. I have the same problem, just who comes first is all that you're doing. Okay, so here I have 25, 25, there we go, plus 24. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to count up all the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s is the same as 40. Count all my ones. Here I have 5. 5 is more than 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So 4 is 40. 9 stays the same at 9. 40 plus 9 is 49. Pretty cool, right? This is not, you don't have to make 10 here because we couldn't make 10. We only had 9. 5 and 4 is 9. Okay, we're going to the top of page 670. It says 56 plus 28. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I made a mistake, didn't I? This one should go over here, right? Plus 28, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can definitely make 10. I know 6 and 8 do not make 10. So I'm going to say I'm going to count up all my 10s, say blank 10s like the book says. And blank ones. Actually, they tell you you have 5, 6, 7 10s. How many ones? 8. Count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ones. And so then I have 7 10s, which is really 70 plus 14. See how much easier it is when you have 0, when you can make 10? So it becomes 7 plus 1 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 84. Next one is 35 plus 13. I'm going to erase mine. So it matches 35, 3, 6, 10, and 5 ones, 1 and 10. So again, I'm going to count up all of my 10s and count up all of my 1s. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, which is the same as 40. And then I have 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. 40 plus 8 is 48. Number 7, 55 plus 39. All right, same thing. If you want to use this, you can. You do not have to use this. So we're going to count up all of our 10s. 5, 6, 7, 8 10s. Count up the ones. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 10s is the same as 80, plus those 14 ones. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. The answer is 94. The next 2 pages are just practicing everything that we've done. So we're just going to keep practicing with 10s, 2 digits, plus 2-digit numbers. So we're going to do 27 plus 15. The book is wanting you to take it to where we did before. In last week, we said 2 10s and then 7 1s. So this is the number 27. And then you're going to add in 1 10, singular, there's no S. And you're going to add in 5 1s. So this is the number 15. Okay, 27 plus 15. How many 10s do you have? You have 3 10s and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. 12 ones. 3 10s is the same as 30 plus 12 is 42. So if 30 plus 12 is 42, then 27 plus 15 is also 42. Just made it a little bit easier by grouping all those 10s together and then grouping the 1s and then adding them together again. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. Find 52 plus 17. At the top of the next page, 52 plus 17, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17. So I have blank 10s, blank 1s. So I have 5 plus 1 is 6 10s. 7 1s, I'm going to start with the biggest one, 7, 8, 9 1s. 6 10s is 60, plus 9 is 69. So then 52 plus 17 has to equal 69. 39 plus 57. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they give you the 10s. They say 3 plus 5 is 8 10s, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 10s. How many 1s? So you're going to start with 9 because it's the biggest number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 1s. So 8 10s is really 80 plus 16. Stack them up. 6 plus 0 is, ooh, not that. 6. 8 plus 1 is 9, 96. So 39 plus 57 is 96. The next one, the very last one on your practice page, says 33 plus 18. So we're going to do 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to say I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. 4 is the same as 4 tens is the same as 40, plus those 11 ones is 51. So 40 plus 11 is 51. 33 plus 18 is also 51. It leaves you all that room so you can go ahead and draw and do any solution, any strategy that you want. All right, that's it. Congratulations, you finished math for today. Bravo. You only have a few more days and you're all done. I'll see you later, friends.